What's poppin', Wolfpack? We are back. We're going to be opening up a sequence of Strixhaven bundle. Let's go ahead and rip this open. Alright. Ow. I hurt myself 2 seconds into the video. Ow. Again, what the heck? Can't open this one. We're not pulling the cord. Alright. We have this pretty cool insert, and then product on the back. Good luck. Bum, 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 bum. We have all of the colleges here represented. Ooh. Let's look at our dividers. Cool, cool, cool. Dice roll. Got a 17, not too bad. We got our 9 packs and our other things. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, here we go. So the bundle promo, well, never mind, hold on. It's not coming out the way I want it to. Oh my god. I'll just freaking rip the whole thing, bro. Alright, is a Wisdom of Ages. Look at that guy. Bum, 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 bum. We got our plains, an island. Why is this weird? A random forest up here, a swamp, a mountain, a forest. I think maybe I messed it up. 2 plains, island, swamp. Yeah, I messed it up. Okay, cool. I don't know how I messed it up. I messed it up. It's fine. It's classy. We like it. Then this other thing is just more basic lands, I believe. It'd be cool if they were all full arts over here, but I don't think that is the case in this one. It is not the case. We just have the 5 full arts. It's fine. It's fine. It's not really fine. Alright. First Packerino. We have Strife Staller. Efflorescence? I don't know. Melancholic Poet. Stone Docket, whatever. A Muse's Encouragement. Spirit Mascot. Ball Water Lumerette. Growth Curse. Foolish Fate. Flow State. Jadzy, Steward of Fate. And a Royal Treatment. Whatever this called. Mystical Archive. And then 2 foils. With a fractal. A little bit of fractals. A little bit of fractals. You can't really leave the foils because they're too shiny. It's fine. A Jadzy. We have Ancestral Anger. Studious First Bear. Cost of Brilliance. Interjection. Deluge Virtuoso. Rancorous Archaic. I don't know how to say that word. Render Speechless. Infirmary Healer. It's a keycat. Charging Strife Knife. Silver Quill Charm. Fix What's Broken. Sleight of Hand. Foil Pursue the Past. Searching off the... Thank you. We have an element for a token. The Element of Surprise. Be prepared. Expressive Fire Dancer. Follow the Lumerets. I don't know. Wander Off. Dig Site Inventory. Hydro Channeler. Stadium Tidal Mage. Stale. I think we have a foil Planeswalker back here. I don't know. Startled Relic Sloth, Topiary Lecturer, Snooping Page, Homesickness. Yep, we have it. It's the Professor guy. Slumbering Trudge for a rare. We also have a rare one of these, Empty the Warrens, and we have Professor Delian Fail foil. Nice. That's pretty cool. I don't know how much he's worth, but it's pretty cool. I mean, he is a Planeswalker, and it is foil, so I imagine it's pretty decent. I don't like how Witherbloom just got a Planeswalker, and then there was the other guy that I think Rouse Eric was in there. Mono Black, it doesn't make sense. I don't know. I'm here. Rehearse Debater, the master of his craft. Spellbook Seeker, Seize the Spoils, Hungry Grephalon, Sneering Shade Rider, Spirit Mascot, Soaring Stone Glider, Dissection Practice, Snarl Song, Pigment Wrangler, Great Hall of the Bibliopets, Return the Favor, Infirmary Healer, Spectacle Summit, Fractal Token, Token Broken, the Fracture the Fractal. Noxious Newt, Borog Banemaker, Rapier Wit, Landscape Painter, Strife Scholar, oopsies, Rancorous Archaic, Primary Research, Archaic's Agony, Paradox Surveyor, The Wisdom of Ages, the non-bundle, Traumatic Critique, Bitter Triumph, and a Suspend Aggression foil. Interesting. Mountain with an elemental token. Each elemental, my dear. We have 4 packs left. A treasure token. We have Elite Interceptor, Chase Inspiration, Rebel Rouser, Wild Hypothesis, Last Grasp, Bogwater Limerent, Rancorous Archaic, Scolding Administrator, Encouraging Aviator, Thunderous Soloist, Pensive Professor, Stock Up, and Send in the Pest for the Mysticals. Mystical, mystical. Yeah, you're so mystical. 3 for me. And an whatever Mancer essence for free, whatever. Stone Descent, Muse's Encouragement, Embrace the Paradox, Spirit Mascot, Summon Dromedary, Social Snub, Quadrant's Charm, Tablet of Discovery, Mathmagics, Monstrous Rage, and a Quill Blade Lorate with a foil island. Be prepared. Are you prepared? Because you better be prepared. Bum bum bum. Ascendant Dust Speaker, Procrastinate, Ancestral Anger, Studious First Year, Cost of Brilliance, Render Speechless, Stirring Honormancer, Limmer's Favor, Living History, Act of Hunger for the rare, another rare, Tragedy Frontier, with a Pondify for the Mystical Archive, and a foil Wilt in the Heat. So we got 3 rares in that pack. And a Fractal in the back. Alright, final pack. Can we get one of the drinks? I would really like one. Don't know which one I'd want. Any of them's fine, I guess, for me. We got Fire Dancer, Follow the whatever, Wander Off, Dig Site, Inventory, Hydro Channeler, Bog Water Lumerette, Campus Composer, Stand Up for Yourself, Mind Roots, Dual Tactics. We have Nita Forum Conciliator, and Duty Beyond Death, and a Johnny's Response. I don't know why. Is a Johnny in the lore for this set? I guess so. I mean, it only makes sense, right? Since he'd be there. Alright, that's going to be the end of the opening. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Hey, you. Yeah, you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe. Please, for the love of everything, ring that dang bell. Let's go!